Hey everybody, I want you to meet a new friend of ours. This is Lily, and Lily is dealing with quite a lot of stuff going on here. I called her Lily because she's quite fragrant. Hopefully soon will be better smelling, but jeez, I don't know if you can see it as well, but it's filled with blood and everything is just, oh my god. Oh god, they smell so bad. And she is just completely matted every inch of her. God dang. I just don't know what's wrong with people. Anyway, I'm sorry to show you guys this stuff. I really try not to. It's like 3 inches thick. But anyway, it's always a journey with these dogs and part of what we deal with, but she is very, very depressed. So we're gonna fix her up, get her all cleaned up, and see how she feels after that. But it's gonna be hard to get those ears cleaned out, but we'll deal with that after we get this mess off of her. So anyway, gosh, I just can't believe it.